All right, welcome back to my personal channel, David Mills. Today we're going to be looking at Omni AI, and it's been a really long time since I've actually done one of these reviews. I'm super excited to get back into this. This is the make money online niche. I'm very passionate about this. I've been absent for, you can look at the last video. It's probably been about a year since I've done one of these reviews, but I'm happy to jump back in because I do things a little bit different than what you're going to see from everybody else putting out videos. I'm going to select products for you that I think are actually good products. They're going to be, I'll go in and do the due diligence for you. We'll come in here and we'll look at this product from James Renoff. He has 30,000 followers on Warrior Plus. He's made over 163,000 sales on Warrior Plus. He knows a thing or two about this, and he's got a 3.51 rating based out of 1,600 ratings. So I usually don't like to promote less than 3 stars. So he's well over the 3-star limit. I like to, now people can be a little bit harsh on these products in this niche and so forth. You guys know the drill. But what I'm doing is looking at the profile, looking at the quality of the person putting the product together, and then looking at past products as well. Overall, he's got a solid profile, and I think that, and I purchased the product myself, so that's something that's different as well. You're going to go and you're going to type in Omni AI review. You're going to find people that only put 5 minutes into it. They don't give you custom bonuses, and I just do things a little bit different. So if you find value in this review video, this in-depth video, and it helps you maybe make an informed decision, then if you do purchase from me, of course, I have some custom bonuses, some awesome bonuses. I'll always be putting together unique custom bonuses for you. So you'll want to go and I will be going over my custom bonus page with you in a second. Before we do all this and jump into the sales page and what this Omni AI is all about, you're going to get the best review, the most in-depth, transparent, honest review right here in front of you. So you've joined the right channel right here. Make sure to subscribe because I'll be doing more. Now, I'm not going to be doing a review on every product that comes out, but you can be sure that the product that I select is going to be something that I purchased myself. I got review access myself, and I actually took the course or used the software. And I got to be honest with you, I'm not going to be putting together these videos and then trying to bash vendors on here and saying, oh, this is just crap and everything. But then go sign up for my program because I know what to do, right? Now, I do make 6 figures online, and that's why I've been absent from this channel and doing this direct affiliate marketing for a while on this channel, but I build up several other YouTube channels and so forth. So if you want more information about that, you can comment below. Maybe I'll send you more information about a community that I'm growing and some of the things that I've been up to over the last year. But the most important thing is that I'm not going to be one of those channels because you've seen them out there before, and to each their own. But I'm not going to go and review a product, and if it's just terrible, I'd give it a 1 out of 10. It's just awful. I'm just probably not going to publish it on my channel, right? Unless it's maybe a really big product and it really is trash. Maybe I'll put my video out there. But I guess what I'm trying to say is that I'm not going to be leveraging traffic from this make money online niche in order to get people to come sign up to my program because you guys know the drill. There's a lot of people that do that. I'm going to pick out these products. I've already taken Omni AI for a ride. It is a quality product. I can tell you right now, you're going to want to stick with me for the review, and I can show you the inside of the course and everything. But I just wanted to share with that, you guys. So welcome back to this channel. And before I jump in right here, I want to just go over here and actually show you inside of my accounting software over here that I've been using for about 3 years now. You can see over the last 30 days, I'm tracking almost $9,000 in my business right here. And I do 100% affiliate marketing. So this is legit. You can see over here, software affiliate commissions right over here. And then you can go over here, Warrior Plus affiliate. I'm a top Warrior Plus affiliate still, even though I'm not even pushing any products or doing any reviews lately or anything like that. Impact is another affiliate network. And you can just see over here, I do all kinds of things online, right? I have multiple YouTube channels and so forth. And if we come over here to the past 12 months, I just want you to know that I'm legit. You're getting information from someone that knows what they're talking about with affiliate marketing. I'm tracking almost $162,000 of total income over the last 12 months. So pretty cool stuff. So let's go jump in. This is Omni. Use Omni AI to be seen everywhere. Obviously, if you don't know what Omni means, it's basically omnipresent, right? It means everywhere. It means that something can be everywhere at once. So just kind of keep that in mind as we go through the sales page. So you can leverage this specific secret AI to make $49,000 in 30 days. Now, this is the kind of stuff that is just, you guys know I'm upfront, I'm transparent and honest with you. This is just ridiculously stupid. You're not going to get started from making $0 online. You're not going to make $50,000 in 30 days doing this. I mean, literally, you're just not going to. Sorry. Now, you go out and do this. Go ahead and message me and I will be blown away. It's not going to happen, right? You need to be realistic about, set yourself a goal. I'm going to start this business, right? Creating viral content, and I want to make $3,000 within 60 days. Now that is something that is doable and reachable, and that would be life-changing income for most people. And so I like to throw out these kind of claims right here, and my eyes at this point, I've been doing this for 15 years. My eyes just kind of go and say, and just ignore that. It's just not going to happen, right? Especially the average person that picks this product up is not going to make $50,000 in 30 days doing this. But I can tell you that this is legit. The strategy behind all this is definitely right up my alley with what I teach and what I believe in online as well. Putting in the actual work and getting results. Okay. So this is from James Ranoff and Max. I'm not going to Gerstenmaier. So these guys partnered up on this product right here, Omni. And of course, they're going to take you through their journey and how much money you can make and yada, yada, yada. You guys know the drill on the sales page. I'm not going to spend much. Now they do know what they're doing with affiliate marketing, because look at all these leaderboards that they are on right over here. There is an interview right here. You're welcome to watch that little 10-minute video right there. And then it just kind of takes you through kind of building up the hype of and this is what you do with sales pages. No fault of theirs at all. You want to make your product presentable. Do I believe you can make money? Do I believe you can make $1,000 with this? Absolutely. But I don't believe you can make $50,000 in 30 days. But I do believe that if you really, really hit it hard, you could make $5,000 in your first month with this actual. And now it's important. This is a training program. This is an educational product. This is not a software. There will be other tools. Some are free. They give you different options. Some are paid, but you are going to need some AI tools in order to make this work. So this is just a income proof after income proof and so forth. Anyone can take a screenshot though. But here's the cool part is that this is a very low barrier to entry product. It's less than $12 right now. It looks like it's on a dime sale, so it might be over $12 when you get this out or when you want to go purchase it. I went ahead and purchased it this morning for $11 and something cents, the front end offer. Okay. So there are definitely going to be upsells. I'm not going to go over those with you because I can tell you right now that there's like 6 or 12 different offers. There's going to be some done for you offers. There's going to be some, double down on the training. They're going to give you some secret tips and so forth, all that kind of good stuff. So, just go through once you purchase the front end, go through those. If something really strikes you, that it's something that you really need, then maybe go ahead and purchase that. But I'm not going to really spend too much time. I'm just going to spend some time on the front end product and the actual training. Is this legit and so forth? So build, you will crush, all these different places like Facebook and Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. It will work on all of those platforms and TikTok. Those are the big ones that it's going to work on right there. Also, you can use video for Pinterest as well. So super cool. But this is just, I've put together products and I've sold thousands of dollars online and even on Warrior Plus and so forth. And these sales pages are just ridiculously way too long. I like cutting to the chase, a little bit different. I don't believe that I have to share all this information with you. I can just shoot you straight on my sales page. So that's just one thing that I would probably do a little bit different, which is that I would just get to the point, right? say what you're training people. And then like when I've done launches and I have just jumped right in on a sales page, told you exactly what you're going to get. It's a training program. I'm teaching you how to make money with affiliate marketing and YouTube and this, and this. So you already know, like I'm not making making you guess that I'm teaching you how to make money online and then kind of leave you guessing what you're actually going to get. I actually lay out in mine. So that's just a critique that I just don't really like these long sales pages, but like I said, to each their own. Okay. So before we go jump in, here is the product. I'm going to show you it. Really cool stuff right over here. But I want to show you that this is an educational product using AI to create viral videos, shorts, right? So 9:16 videos, otherwise known as YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram Reel type videos. Now it's going to be using a 100% AI to do the script, the voiceover, the graphics for the videos, and do all that very quickly to how to find the viral topics and so forth and create this. Now, this is a legitimate business. I have gone through the training and I did watch most of the videos. I can tell you right now that it's a couple hours of video content. So right there, I can tell you that, for less than $12, 2 hours worth of video training of teaching you a method of making money. I like these products a lot better than crappy software that is broken the next day after you buy it. There's no support, all that kind of crap. You guys have been there and done that. These educational products that teach you an actual method that you can go out and use high quality AI tools. And it's the concept, right? You're trying to make money online. It's the concept of putting all that together and actually taking action is what is the actual formula is to start making money. These guys have the formula. They're putting together all the step A, B, and C together. And now it's up to you to actually take action. So to spend a whole afternoon watching all these videos, getting the concepts right, and then taking action on what they're teaching. And I do believe you could build a business. So this is a high quality product. It's a good educational product. There's some really good stuff, how to piggyback off of other people's stuff. They even teach you how you can use other people's content and so forth. Now there are the OTOs right there. And you can come over here and just see that you will learn the easiest way to create inspirational mindset quote AI videos, and then creating viral videos legally using other people's videos. That one was a really, really good video. Become a pro YouTuber uploading daily videos without having to do the work yourself. So this is huge right there as well. How to create viral meme videos as well. All these different things, creating your own deep fake and your digital twin. So how to actually create a video of, so you take an image of yourself and then turn it into a video. Oh my goodness. Really, really good content right there. So they take you step by step through and what softwares to use and so forth. They give you some free versions, some paid versions and so forth on what to use. So I went ahead and just did my Omni AI review. Each one, you just click in here and then you have the video. One other critique that I would make on this product, and this is what no one else is going to, share with you, is when there's something that they don't like about the product, right? So I'm asking you, if you are interested in this product, you're going to get my bonuses. I'm going to go over those right now. And I'm going to make a commission. But most people don't share with you, like the long sales page. Come on, like the blowing smoke up your butt, making $50,000 in 30 days. Not going to happen, right? So you need to be honest with people, potential customers, which is you. But then another thing is that when I do push play right over here, you'll be able to see that these are all 720p. There's no higher quality than 720p on these videos. Now, I think that if you're going to ask people for money, you should figure out how to record a video that's higher quality than 720p. I know what happens, unfortunately, if you use a screen recording program and then you select your screen, like right over here, like I'm doing. If you select that screen in the beginning and then push record, it actually records it at a low quality. That's why you see a black bar at the top up here that I put up here, and you record your screen in the entire full screen, and then you can video edit afterwards. And so that's kind of a critique and something that after making over 1,000 long form YouTube videos in my business over the last couple of years, I know a thing or two about video creation, video editing, and video production. And so that's just something that bothers me, is that I paid for the product and the 720p is, it's blurry. It's not the best. Does it take away from the training? Does it impact it? No, not really, but it's a pet peeve of mine. You got to have at least 1020 or 1080p in your products that you're asking people to pay for. Okay, so that's my only critique. But other than that, Omni AI, awesome stuff. Click the first link below because it's going to take you to this page right here, this bonus page, what you've been waiting for. This bonus page right here is my Omni AI bonus page. Now I created this bonus number 1. I created this today. Who is going out there and creating unique training videos of someone that's making $160,000 per year with affiliate marketing and knows how, is like I just told you, I do YouTube full time. And I do YouTube on other channels. This is the first video that I've put out on this channel in over a year. So I know a thing or two about YouTube and production of videos and so forth. And I'm going to show you how this right here, this video that I created right here is a 10-minute video. And this is as valuable, but you're only going to be able to get this if you purchase Omni through my link. But this video right here is as valuable as that entire 2-hour course. I promise you, you come in here and you watch this video and you use the products that I'm showing you how to, which is completely different products that they show in their videos. You'll be able to take what I show you in this 10-minute special bonus video for you, and you can build an entire business getting traffic daily to your offers as an affiliate with this system right here. This 10-minute video, brand new, never given this out as a bonus before. You're going to get access to this. So this is worth well over $13. Pick this up just to get bonus number 1. Okay. So then we're going to go over to bonus number 2, my secret YouTube ranking method. Awesome stuff, because then you're just going to get more eyeballs on your content if you get this bonus right here. This is a unique video that I've created. I mean, this is a 25-minute training that I'm taking you through what I would do if I had to start all over again. Remember, I'm making $160,000 in the last 12 months in my business. What would I do right now if I lost that? What would I do to get started making $100 a day online? This bonus is also worth way more than $13. So you're going to want to pick up my bonuses today. And then I'm going to throw in here 122 royalty-free background music tracks. So you actually get to almost physically have something in hand, right, to use in your videos, to use in your marketing videos, your viral TikTok videos you're creating and so forth. They're royalty-free music tracks and so forth. So pretty cool right there. And then bonus number 5, YouTube video keyword research secrets, so that you can create long form content as well and rank that content and so forth. So all these bonuses, all you have to do is just click on one of these buttons here and go purchase Omni right here. If you purchase Omni through my link for $11.66 or whatever it's going to be, around $12, $13 by the time you see this, if you go purchase that through my link, you get all 5 bonuses right here. So overall, I do recommend Omni AI. If you're not making money in your business right now, if you're not making a consistent $100 a day, then you definitely need to get Omni AI, get my bonuses, and start taking action in your business, because the only thing that's going to get you starting to make money in your business is taking action on a system. And this is a system that you can start today and start seeing results. I'm saying you can start seeing results within about 14 to 30 days, somewhere around that mark. You'll start seeing traffic to your offers, maybe making a few sales, but then it just compounds and compounds and compounds. Okay. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know in the comments if you watched the entire video. I love to just interact with people that watch the entire content, that got value from it. Make sure to subscribe, watch the next videos, because like I said, I do these in-depth things and I'll tell you if this is a legit product or not. Go and check this out. Get my bonuses. Thank you so much. See you next time.